Hi. Hi everybody, this is Tony from Tony Bakes and Cooks. Today I'm gonna make you a traditional Greek dip called hummus. For this recipe we're gonna use just few ingredients. We're gonna use a can of chickpeas, which is, when it's drained, is about 240 grams, a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper, 100 milliliters of Greek virgin olive oil from my father-in-law's olive trees, and 100 milliliters of lemon juice. It's approximately 2 to 3 lemons. Also, we're gonna have 2 cloves of garlic, which gonna crush. I will show you how it's done that. And we're gonna pour some tahini inside, and we will see the consistency as much as you like. So let's start the recipe. We take the garlic and we're gonna crush that. Okay, we're gonna put it in the blender. We take a knife and we scrape that off. We take the second garlic clove and we put that, crush that in as well. Come on. Ooh. It already smells delicious. And that's it. We're going to take the virgin olive oil, we're going to pour that in, okay, and we're going to put the blender on. This is done. We take the lemon juice, we're going to pour that in, we're going to turn the blender on. That's done as well. So we're gonna take the chickpeas now. We're gonna drop them in. A pinch of salt. A pinch of pepper. Okay, and we're gonna put the blender back on. That's done. We're gonna take the tahini. We're going to put it on a low speed and we're going to start pouring until the consistency is dry. Let's see. It's something, by the way, which every time I've got guests around when I have a barbecue, I make it for them and they really like it. You see, I drop it slowly, and I just look for the consistency. And like in here, that is thickens now. Okay. So I have made it to the right consistency that I want. It's about 2 to 3 tablespoons of tahini. Alright, we switch it off and we check to see if the consistency is right. I will take it out and I will show you. Okay, so you do like that and it stays. And it's absolutely perfect. It doesn't need anything. So we're gonna take it. We're gonna take it out of the blender, like so, with a spatula, like so. Clean it. Okay, and it's ready to be served. We put it on a container. You can leave that in the fridge for a week. So every day you take some with a cracker or with a piece of bread or with your meal, and you have it. Anyway, that's all for the hummus. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe, and I will have a cappuccino with my wife. And I will come back to show you the next recipe, which is going to be tzatziki. Which is Greek and it's going to be tzatziki. Enjoy.